everyone, welcome back again to our channel, Subtitles Reaction.
So here from Philippines, we greet you and hope you are doing good and fine. So we are absolutely very happy about your views, comments, and suggestions from our recent videos.
Absolutely. And please stay tuned and always watch our videos reaction.
That's right. So we are going to make a reaction to the video titled Russian SpaceTrain from Birchpunk. So I remember Russian Cyberpunk, so
Yes.
it was fun and crazy to watch the video. Now we are very excited to watch Birchpunk video, so let's go ahead. And again, we are making a reaction on this video
As requested by our subscribers. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Whoa! Wow, that's fabulous, right?
Very interesting.
Yes.
Okay.
So, let's watch.
Is that their singing?
Here's the selling fish.
Спасибо.
Провожающие, выходим из вагона.
Wow. Russian.
Нормально лежать. My name is
Birchpunk.
Zanya. It's
Hello,
our
Zanya.
task on English lesson to make a video about our work. I work as a train conductor.
Ah, okay.
All
Oh,
of my
Very
work
nice,
is
right?
totally automatized. We prepare wagon before start.
whoa, look at
Check
that.
tickets. Break ice with loan.
Break ice. Literally break ice, right?
The most pleasant thing in our work, communication with people.
Communication.
Вагон.
Какой вагон? Написано, запрещено. Ну куда вы идете?
Я купил уже.
Каждый раз написано, не покупаем, написано, покупаем.
Я
That
понял,
allowed,
я
right?
понял.
Вы поняли, каждый
Yes.
раз.
They said that traveling on a cautious card with solar system is not comfortable. It is bullshit.
Да погоди, осторожно. Ну что, погоди.
It is high technological utilization system. We don't need sanitary zone anymore. All the stuff goes directly to the open space.
Я у вас тут криво
What's that?
капсулы.
We are on a SV wagon now. If you go far, you can go to stasis.
Вам через 3 года выходить. Через 3 года выходить, говорю.
Я всегда беру боковушку около туалета.
Белье брать будем? Ой, какой холёсенький, Ай.
Ты Шрёдингер, да? Я бы очень хотела завести
What's
кота.
that
но
with that?
как я с ним тут в космосе буду?
Дай сыграю пару аккордов.
Вакуумный парашют, пускай меня
Clean
That
out the
expression.
rice.
греет пацанам.
Look at the reaction of
Yeah.
those girls behind this man. Yeah.
Можно вас? Космический.
Very realistic, right?
Yes. When it comes the visual effects, right?
5 прыжков не хватило, да? Крапового скафандра.
Я пойду.
Меня Петя зовут. 282 стратосферы. И сейчас не будет. Давай деньги
Oh.
покажи.
Wow, we're hectic, right?
Yes.
Сергей Иванович.
Чего здесь чужой, я для обитателей, ведь
You're playing a lot,
галактики
right?
большой,
Yeah.
все всегда приятели разных планет, близких и нет. Жителям очень нужен свет, свет прилетит, ты посмотри, друг,
Oh, look at that. Wow.
друг, я такой же, как ты, я такой же, как ты.
Не надо меня снимать. Это же невозможно. Он все время храпит.
Oh.
Остаемся на своих местах, держимся за поручни. Мамаша,
Yes.
держи. Держи за поручни. Девушка, мы сейчас решили чай попить. Я всех ловить должна.
No, it's right.
Дядь Толь, что случилось?
23-м что-то. Пойду посмотрю.
Целая лекция, концерт Толя.
Лоховики спят, хоть бы хны.
Technician or something.
Metal detector. Oh, just kidding. Oh.
Ведь русским 30 бит языком сказано. Нельзя проносить в бой всякую.
Сосед, это знал твой ребут.
Ищи вот эти.
Oh.
О, чужой?
А я
It's an
чужой.
alien.
Своим бы я так не траванулся. 3 прыжка, когда скафандр прихватил.
Это мне этих женихов на каждом полустанке.
Look at that, look at that. What is
That's
that?
the little alien.
Дядь Толь,
I
дядь
guess.
Толь, это что круг безопасности подписывал.
What is that? Oh,
Дядь Толь.
it's very hard to get. Oh! Oh! So cute, right? Oh, it's the alien. What is that? A kind of pig?
Можно утилизировать. Для безопасности.
We have to throw it away.
Ah.
Ты мимо полтай будешь? Говори,
No,
найду тебя.
the guy is going to left.
Да мне аж 40 лет будет. Мы до Нептуна летим.
40 years old.
Ну ладно, расслабься,
Just
пошутила.
Заливается литрами сердце по тебе, я
They even put a little love
Yes.
story on it.
Love story.
What's that logo? An
It's
eagle?
outer space. Get the logo of space.
Look at the backpackers. I don't know what's called.
It's very unique.
Хоть без сердца все же страдаешь, слезы бьют по стальному плечу.
I think this whole movie is very interesting to watch, right?
It's just a video clip, I think.
Yes.
It's really not a movie. They just created
Uh-huh.
fictitious
Whoa!
video.
Wow.
Слушай,
Oh.
They don't throw it away.
Oh.
чужик.
Wow, that's it?
Very good video. Very entertaining.
That's lovely.
Yes. Wow, so whoever makes the video, so they are very talented
Yes,
and
he's so
really,
brilliant.
yeah, really fun. To think that train can be possible outer space. So
Uh-huh.
what I like is they really did everything to make it realistic, right?
Yes. From the people that are working inside up to the passengers, everything is really interesting and entertaining to watch.
Yes. So we did have fun watching the video. So looking forward to make another reaction from Birchbank video again.
Yes.
So hope you like our video reaction.
All I can say, the video editing was very fabulous and very
Very
good.
good. Yes, that's right.
We are from Philippines. We are very proud and to enjoy watching this kind of video
That's right.
of Birchbank. So hope you like our video reaction. Leave thumbs up, share to your family and friends. See you again on next video. Take care and God bless you.